How to change a particular page background in Wix. Once on your Wix website, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to tap on the third icon, which is Pages and Menu. From there, you can select the page that you would like to edit. So let's say, for example, the pricing page. We'll select the pricing page and you're going to see a preview of it, as you can see right here. Now, to change the page background, you're going to tap on the three dots in line with the page name and you're going to see the option Page Background. You're going to tap right there. Then from there, you can choose an image, a color, or a video that you would like to change it to. So let's say, for example, I were to select this image. I can select the image, as you can see right there, and it will change the background of this particular page. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Once you're finished, you can tap on Save in the top right hand corner. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. And thank you for watching.